Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be checking out the top 3 best cool air intake for Jeep Cherokee and Grand Cherokee. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the description below. So let's get started with the video. First up on the list is the K&N Cold Air Intake Kit. Let's start with the most balanced cool air intake system. K&N did an excellent job with it, and overall the kit offers great value. First of all, it includes a 10 million mile warranty, which is quite generous. Secondly, it is available in various configurations that fit different Jeep Cherokee models. Add a decent boost in engine performance, horsepower, torque, and acceleration, and you'll get a safe bet. This air intake is also capable of significantly dampening the engine. The installation will take less than an hour, and you won't have to be a pro to pull it off. Next up is the Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit. This is the most affordable purchase on the list and is among the most popular picks. With it, you'll get to choose between multiple colors, plus, thanks to the high-quality synthetic filter media, it's very easy to wash and clean the entire air intake system. The aluminium tubing, along with user-friendly installation, is even more reason to consider the Spectre system over the competition. It ensures up to 50% more airflow, improved towing capabilities, and easy maintenance. The last option on the list is the AFE Power Magnum Force 5410242. In contrast to the previous air intake system, Force 54 by AFE Power is quite an expensive purchase. It costs almost twice as much and will probably be too steep for most off-roading fans. On the bright side, the engineers did a fantastic job with it, and you'll get a mild boost in horsepower, torque, and towing. The 5-layer cotton gauze media is oiled, easy to wash, and achieves optimal airflow. The powder-coated heat shield with aluminium cover in turn speaks volumes about this system's longevity and durability. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below.